Sound real good, goddamn. We'll let the beat work. Hey, we'll let it work. I hear you back there, Mo. Yeah. You see, it's just another day chilling in the hood. We rock a little bit. You ready? Hey, you see, it's just a little day chilling in the hood. Just another day chilling in the hood. It's another day. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good today. I say it's just another day chilling in the hood. Just another day I'm in the hood. I'm feeling good today. We'll let the people lead up, we'll let it work. Y'all know we do this for our hood, goddamn, it's for our hood. Yeah. Can't forget that whole 800 squad job.